Good night, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Dava Salafan Islami with student ID number 25 14 5001 from Logistik Migas 1A. Today, I would like to present about aviation fuel terminal Juanda, including its operations, fuel distribution system, and the important role of Pertamina in maintaining aviation fuel service. Okay, today presentation is about aviation fuel terminal or EFT Juanda. In this presentation, I will explain the definition of EFT Juanda, the role of Pertamina, fuel storage and distribution system, refueling process, and then safety and quality control in aviation fuel operations. Aviation fuel is one of the most important components in the aviation industry because aircraft operations depends of fuel availability, safety, and quality. Let's move on the next slide. Aviation Fuel Terminal Juanda is a fuel supply facility located at Juanda International Airport. The facility is managed by Pertamina, which is Indonesian National Oil and Gas Company. The main of responsibility of EFT Juanda is to provide aviation fuel, also known as a AFTUR, for aircraft operations. EFT Juanda ensures the number one is fuel quality, fuel safety, fuel availability, and then reliable fuel delivery for airlines. Without proper fuel management, airport operation could experience delays or even safety risks. Therefore, EFT has a very strategic role in supporting air transportation. At EFT Juanda, Pertamina acts as the main aviation fuel supplier. There are several important responsibilities carried out by Pertamina. The first, Pertamina maintains fuel quality standard according to international aviation regulations like API and then the others. This is very important because aviation fuel must meet strict specification before being used by aircraft. The second, Pertamina manage fuel logistics, including the number one is fuel transportation. Number two is fuel storage, like a warehouse, and number three is a fuel distribution, like a bridger or refueler. And then the next third, Pertamina ensures safety and operational reliability. Every process must follow standard operating procedures to avoid contamination, accident, or fuel shortage. In the addition, Pertamina continuously improve efficiency and service quality to support airport operations. Let's move on the next slide. Now, let us discuss how the EFT Juanda system works. The process starts from the fuel supply. Fuel is supplied from refineries or fuel terminal. After that, the fuel is transported to EFT Juanda using pipelines, tank trucks, or ships. When the fuel arrives, there is a receiving process. During this stage, the fuel is checked for the number one is more important, that is a quality, The number 2 is quantity. The number 3 is cleanliness. There is no contamination in the product. Then the fuel is stored inside dedicated storage tanks. And finally, the fuel is distributed to aircraft using refueling equipment. Can use breather or refueler or hydrant system. This process must be conducted carefully to ensure that the fuel remains safe and uncontaminated. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. In the next slide explains the fuel storage system. EFT Juanda used large storage tanks, such as fixed roof tanks and then floating roof tanks. These tanks are equipped with several important systems. The number 1 is filtration system. Number 2 is water separation systems. Number 3, monitoring instrument. The filtration system helps remove the impurities from the fuel. The water separation system prevents water contamination because water can damage aircraft engine. Monitoring instruments are used to observe. Number 1 is fuel level, number 2 is temperature, number 3 is pressure, the number 4 is fuel condition like a density, viscosity, or water content in the product. Regular inspection and maintenance are also conducted to maintain safety and operational performance. In fuel distribution operation, EFT Juanda use several types of equipment. The first is the hydrant system. This is an underground pipeline system directly connected to an aircraft parking stand. The hydrant system is efficient because fuel can be transferred directly to aircraft without using a trucks. The second equipment is the refueling truck or fuel truck. The vehicle is used for aircraft that are not connected to hydrant system. The third equipment is the dispenser. The dispenser controls and measures fuel flow during the refueling process to ensure accurate fuel quantity. The system works together to support efficient and safe aircraft refueling operation. In the next slide, now I will explain the refueling process. The first step is a preparation and safety checking. Operators inspect the equipment and ensure safety conditions are met. The second step is fuel quality testing. The fuel is checked for number 1 is the density, contamination, and water content. The third step is connecting to equipment to the aircraft. After that, fuel transfer begins according to required fuel quantity. Finally, operator conduct final inspection and documentation to confirm that the refueling process is completed safely and correctly. This process requires accuracy because fuel errors can affect flight safety. And let's move on the next slide. Safety and quality control. Safety and quality control are very important in aviation fuel operations. EFT Juanda follows strict aviation fuel standards and procedures. Several safety activities include The number one is regular fuel sampling, and then laboratory testing, equipment inspection, and the fire protection system. In the addition, all personnel receive training related to operational procedures, emergency response, and occupational safety. The objective is to minimize operational risk and maintain fuel quality at all the times. And the last slide, the key elements in the EFT operations. There are several key elements that support EFT operations. The first is supply chain management, which ensures continuous fuel availability. The second is the storage system, which maintains fuel condition and inventory. The third is distribution system, responsible for fuel delivery to aircraft. Another important element is a quality control, which guarantees fuel meets aviation standard. Then there is safety management, which protects workers, facilities, and aircraft operations. And finally, human resource such as a operator, technicians, and the engineer and HSA. They play a critical role in maintaining smooth and safe operations. And then conclusion. In conclusion, Aviation Fuel Terminal Juanda plays a critical role in aviation operations. EFT Juanda ensures that aircraft receive safe, clean, and reliable fuel supplies. The facility is operated by Pertamina with high operational and safety standard. Good fuel management is essential because aviation safety depends not only on aircraft technology, but also on fuel quality and operational reliability. And that is all of my presentations. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation can provide useful information about aviation fuel terminal Juanda and aviation fuel operations in Indonesia. And then, thank you. Have a nice day.